In this video, we're going to take a quick look at sketching ellipses in Creo Parametric. There's two ways to create an ellipse in Creo Parametric. There is the axis ends and the center and axis ellipse. I'll begin with the default here, the axis and ends. Here I will just pick 2 points across one of the diameters of the ellipse. It could be the major, it could be the minor. It just depends on where the second axis goes. Then of course I can middle mouse button and adjust my dimensions to get the size I'm looking for. I can also click the drop down and instead specify a center point. So in this case, I'll pick the midpoint of this line, then one of the endpoints, and you can see that the ellipse draws much the same way, just a couple of different inputs there. And then of course, once more, I can adjust the dimensions as needed. The 2-point option makes it convenient to tuck an ellipse inside of another shape. For example, I'll choose the axis ends ellipse, pick the midpoint here on this side of the box and the midpoint on the other side, and then snap to the midpoint on one of the other directions. Now I've got an ellipse that is controlled by the rectangle. So once again, 2 different ways to draw it, but at the end of the day, you will be able to adjust your minor and major diameters just the same, regardless of which method you use. That concludes this look at sketching ellipses in Creo Parametric.